So stopped at this rest stop, just happened to pull in and grab some Subway, and ran into Mr. VTM himself.
How's it going?
Instagram's on the screen right here. Just happened to pull up and there's a Koenigsegg right there that was sitting at the pump there. These guys are walking over saying nice S4.
Yeah, exactly. I'm an Audi guy at heart, so I got all the nice stuff.
I found a fellow S4 owner at the gas station who also happens to have these beautiful cars. So we'll go do a quick walk around of what's here. Also want to give a shout out to Eddie X. We miss you. You're not here, but
come on, Eddie. You gotta come out.
Yeah, he missed this impromptu car meet. Yeah, this was just happened to be sitting at the pump over there with the door like that, of course. What a great way to start a road trip. And you guys have been on the road for a couple days now too, right?
Yeah, we're with the North Face Rally right now. We were doing Toronto, Montreal, we just were in Boston last night, and now we're headed to New York City and then finishing up in Washington, D.C. the following day. So.
Sweet. That sounds like a good time. I'm on the Eli Rally to Pennsylvania.
Okay.
But that's not quite the same league. That's okay. Koenigsegg over here, and then we have Huayras and a Huayras BC, correct?
Yes.
White and carbon Huayras sitting right here. And then King Tasma over here, correct?
Yes.
The King Tasma. Got it. Cool. Well, good to meet you, man. Glad we bumped into each other.
Yeah.
All right, well, I didn't film much of that cruise because, well, I was driving with Pagani's and Koenigsegg's. I want to be focused on the road, but we're crossing the new Tappan Zee now. The old Tappan Zee is over there. Very excited that they put this in. It makes a lot more sense. I've been coming up on people in the left lane, and I give them, once they don't move over, a little flick of the high beams, and instead of moving over like they do in other states, they tap on their brakes back to me, like it was just me saying hi to them, and they're saying hi back. I want you to move over. I'm going faster than you. All right, so part one of my road trip is complete. Made it to Pennsylvania, and Sam's here. I don't know if you guys remember Sam, but he was with me last year.
So we were?
We're going on a, ooh, I almost dropped it. We're going on a road trip. Tomorrow we're gonna do Centralia to Rainstown Lake to Pittsburgh. Then we're going up to ECS the next day, then back down to Pittsburgh, and we're gonna meet up with Dr. M3 there, and it's gonna be a blast. But I told myself I would fly the drone every day on this trip, so we're gonna go fly the drone now. And get gasoline and log my car for integrated, so if we go to the drag strip Friday, I'll have all the sauce. Well, we got the car there, the drone's up there somewhere, and Sam's flying for the first time. Sorry. Sam's flying for the first time. The light is really harsh, but we're out in the middle of nowhere out here, getting a couple drone shots for you guys. All right, well, Sam drove the S4. We got some drone shots. We were trying to get some more on this nice scenic curve, and then the battery died. It's later at night here. Probably not gonna film this because we are gonna have to go pretty quickly. But we are now going to log the car because later in the week we're hopefully going to the drag strip. So got to make sure it's logged and set up right. We'll send the tune over to Integrated, and they will send me a revision, which we will flash in Pittsburgh. Very excited. That was a little bit of a quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am down here in Pennsylvania tomorrow night. tonight actually, if you're seeing this video, we will be in Pittsburgh. Then we're out to ECS Tuning in Ohio the following day, staying out there, and then we'll be back in Pittsburgh Tuesday to Sunday. So stay tuned to my Instagram. It's at IgnitionTubeYT. We'll hopefully post up some stuff about fan meets there. As always, make sure to follow Sam on Instagram. His Instagram will be on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
The outro.